In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the front control arm bushing for BMW E46. This is the bushing. The grease. Tools needed for replacing the front control arm bushing. Large 16mm long socket. Large electric impact wrench. F-style extension bar. Large torque wrench. Lift the vehicle. The vehicle's bushing is leaking oil and worn out, so we are replacing it. Using the F-style extension bar with the large 16mm long socket, loose the bushing retaining bolts. Using the large electric impact wrench with the 16mm long socket, remove the bushing retaining bolts. Remove the bushing. Here's the comparison of old versus new bushing. We can see the old bushing is leaking and damaged, so we are replacing it. Install the new bushing. Before installation, apply grease to the inside of the bushing. Evenly coat the inside of the bushing with grease. Install the bushing. Align the mounting holes and install the retaining bolts. Using the large 16mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, tighten the bushing retaining bolts. Using the large 16mm long socket with the large torque wrench, torque the bushing retaining bolts. Torque specific, 59 Newton meters, 43 foot-pounds. Replace the bushing on the other side using the same process in torque specific. Lower the vehicle.